A valley with beautiful and sculptural olive trees and a wide view amidst the bucolic landscape of Apulia is the setting where the BS house was built. Designed by Res Architectura, its architecture is contemporary, a reinterpretation of the traditional forms and materials of this beautiful region in southern Italy. This makes this project of simple and sober lines adequately contextualized within this rural landscape. The architectural concept of the BS house was inspired by the idea of a central courtyard, historically used in the warm climate of the southern Mediterranean as passive protection against the sun. The house unfolds in a C shape around the courtyard, facing north, protecting the large windows from strong sunlight and providing beautiful panoramic views of the natural landscape. Considering the owner's need for a permanent residence, the project was conceived from the beginning with a focus on energy efficiency and sustainability, combining passive and active solutions, as well as cutting-edge technologies to achieve high standards of energy efficiency and comfort. The walls are solid, with multiple layers to provide high thermal insulation efficiency and substantial thermal mass, essential for protection against heat. The living area and owner's office occupy the east side, while the dining area with kitchen is in the center, and the master bedroom with a second office for the partner is on the west side. The most traditional materials of local architecture have been adopted and adapted to this architecture in a new contemporary context. Dry stone and lime plaster for the walls, minimalist oak frames, and Apricina stone slabs for the floors. Polished concrete was chosen for the living area and wood for the sleeping area. With the extensive photovoltaic system integrated into the roof, the electricity consumption of the house is practically reduced to zero. The HVAC system consists of an electrically powered heat pump. Water reservoirs are used to store, as thermal energy, the electricity produced by the photovoltaic panels under optimal sunlight conditions, to be reused when needed. Another important feature is water consumption optimization. An underground reservoir collects rainwater during the rainy winter period. The water is filtered and purified before being sent to the pipes. All appliances and toilets have flow limiters and dual flush systems to prevent water waste. With these solutions, the house is completely independent in terms of water supply. There is a separate guest room with independent entrance and services. Adjacent to the northern boundary of the property, facing the courtyard, the pool opens up to the Mediterranean landscape, also featuring bathrooms, a sauna, and a small outbuilding.